Hi, this is Ryan, and I'm going to be talking to everybody today about some of the pros for student achievement gains in charter schools. So, student achievement gains in charter schools is a widely debated topic because there are a lot of misnomers out there about what charter schools do well or do not do well. A lot of it is based on personal opinion. The article in the journal that I read was the effectiveness of charter schools synthesizing standardized mean changes. And there is statistical data that was completed in a meta-analysis to support slightly higher test scores for charter schools. One area that charter schools do a great job of is creating competition, whether that is direct or indirect competition for public schools. It has definitely raised the bar of overall education and student achievement. One area of student achievement that is very difficult to actually come up with statistical measures because there are so many different types of variables out there. But one is that it does raise the standard when you're allowing students to have choice, and then charter schools and public schools are indirectly fighting for the attention of students in terms of improving education. One area in the study that I read was that minority students improve across the board in charter schools based off the study, not only just in terms of a meta-analysis, but in terms of their own statistical findings. They demonstrated the ability to perform well in many areas. One specific area that was a point of emphasis was in terms of reading up to standard and proficiency, that minority students and students who were in inner cities showed very high levels of achievement in terms of, or in comparison to, those same types of students who were in traditional public schools. Also, over a time period, there was higher learning gains. Over a 4-year period in the study, student learning gains were much higher at charter schools in comparison to public schools. Some people may want to argue, where these students started versus where they were able to finish. With that being said, though, that the gains were real, that they were able to use an alternative type of educational setting and find that they could improve student achievement. As far as other types of pros for student achievements, the overall study had a wide variety of positive results in many different types of studies. Most of them were too small in the positive to 100% say that student achievement was great in a certain area, but it was a mixed bag in terms of both negative and positive. And these were some of the higher positive learning goals that students were able to achieve during the study that I was able to read.